The next type of enzyme regulation is called
covalent modification. And that's also extremely, extremely important. Half of the enzymes we cover are subject to covalent modification. So I want you to understand the term. The reason it's called covalent modification, you are creating a new covalent bond to the enzyme. Typically, that covalent bond, the most common type is the addition of a phosphate. That phosphate typically comes from ATP, and you need an enzyme to add that. So you need a protein kinase. Okay, that's the class of enzymes I mentioned in the beginning of this chapter. Okay, so I want you to think about you're taking an enzyme, you're going to modify the R groups of the amino acids in that enzyme. What are the R groups that can be modified? Let's say that you can add phosphate to. Okay, good, nice. Okay, good. So hydroxyl group, serine can become phosphoserine. Threonine can become threonine or tyrosine. The outcome of that typically can be either to activate an enzyme, or depending on the identity of the enzyme, it can inhibit certain enzymes. So covalent modification is an extremely important regulatory mechanism. So, and the most common one is phosphorylation. There are other forms of covalent modification. That means you add a different group. But phosphorylation is the most one of the most important ones. Now, the reverse is true. If an enzyme is in the phospho state, phosphoserine, and you remove that phosphate, you are breaking a covalent bond. So that's still called covalent modification. Okay? So either way, it's called covalent, whether you're adding a phosphate or removing a phosphate. Okay.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.